Today we will take the topic that is the cane sugar. So this cane sugar, that is the sucrose, and the sources of this sucrose are sugarcane, beetroot, and other fruits such as pineapples, almond, and coffee and honey. So this C12H22O11 is the formula for the cane sugar. Density is 1.58 kg per meter cube. This sucrose is soluble in water but slightly soluble in methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. So this is the introduction of sucrose or the cane sugar, which is preferably we made from sugar cane. And if the sugar cane is not available, then the other sources are also there. But in India, cane sugar is mostly obtained from sugar cane. So here there is a preparation of cane sugar with the help of sugar cane. So first what you have to do, you have to take sugar cane and pass that sugar cane into the machine that is known as a cutter. It will crush the sugar cane. There are the series of pressure rolls, and because of this pressure this sugar cane will get pressed and the liquid will get passed through that sugar cane, and we will get the juice. Then the juice will have the certain impurities. We will remove that impurity with the help of lime, and once the lime is reacted with that liquid, the scum will form on the top. After that, the it has to be that scum will remove. Then we have to pass carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gas to remove the impurity calcium. Once that calcium will react with these gases, they will be removed in the form of calcium carbonate or calcium sulfate. Then juice is filtered and the precipitate has to be removed. The third process is the crystallization. Here we have to heat that liquid, and by reducing the pressure we will remove that moisture and we will allow it to crystallize. After the crystallization we are doing centrifugation so that the mother liquor and the crystals will get separated. We will get the sugar crystals here, and the mother liquor we will collect it and we will use it as a molasses, or we called it as a molasses, and that molasses is useful for preparation of the another liquid vehicle. So mother liquor for the further vaporization, crystallization and the production of molasses. So this is the preparation of cane sugar. What we have to do, we have to use sugar cane, make a juice of it, remove the impurities by adding the lime and sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, heat it in the evaporator, crystallize it with the lowering the pressure with the help of vacuum pan or the crystallizer, centrifuge it so that the crystals, we will get only the crystals, and the mother liquor will be used for the production of molasses. And before evaporation we have to do the filtration. So this is the process, or these are the steps which are involved in the process or the preparation of sugar of cane sugar. So this is this is the theory of that I have told you about the preparation of the sugar of milk or the cane sugar. Now the properties of this cane sugar: its melting point is 186 degrees centigrade, density is 1.59, soluble in water, it is colorless or white crystals, crystalline masses or blocks or the white crystalline powder we can obtain, odorless but it should have a sweet taste, it is stable in air, Solution should be neutral to the litmus, otherwise we cannot use it as a vehicle. It melts with the decomposition 160 to 120, 185 degrees centigrade. Specific gravity is 1.57. Solubility test. 1 gram of sucrose is soluble in 0.5 ml of water that we have discussed. It is slightly more than 0.2 ml of boiling water. So if the temperature increases, solubility increases. In 170 ml of alcohol, it is also dissolved, but it is insoluble in chloroform and ether. Its optical rotation is not less than plus 65.9 degree at 20 degree centigrade. So these are the physical properties of the cane sugar. Now the identification, how you can identify. When you heat it, it will get melt. It swells up and it burns.